How to turn on and enable typing assistant on UC browser app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to UC browser. Now go down here and click on those three lines, and now go to the settings here. Click on the settings icon. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to browsing settings, the second option. As you can see here, you will find many options, but all what you have to do is scroll down until you find the typing assistant. Now click on it and it's turned on successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.